Hi everyone. In today's video, Darko is going to show us how to automate your tasks in automations. So I think that Darko, you can take over now. So please, you can share your screen.
Sure. Hi everyone, let me share my screen so you guys can see how we can automate the tasks. So we're gonna go in automations, we're gonna go in our favorite button, Autopilot Wizard, and then we're gonna look for the tasks. So we're gonna select it, and over here you're gonna see that system will inform us that we can automate and we can notify either the assignees or users when the task is created, when the task is completed, when it's overdue or reassigned. Simply you can turn off and turn on that if that's your point of interest, and even you can change the template. You're going to see that we pre-create all of the templates, but if you don't like something, of course, you can delete it and make it on your own way.
Nice. Okay. And a question, if we have tasks for our cleaning team, how would you automate it in AdvanceCM?
Yeah, that's a very good question, Milica. Let me show you that as well. We're going to go in Auto Create, and we're going to go again in Tasks. So we're going to say what is the automation name. Let's say it's going to be a cleaning team. That is our point of interest. And look how many fields you can choose. For this example, we're going to use when the booking is confirmed. We're going to say next. And we're going to choose, would you like to apply that only on some channels or all of the channels? And for some rentals, specific one, or all of the rentals that we're managing with AdvanceCM. Again, we're going to go for next. And system is asking us what is the cleaning task name. We're going to say cleaning day. And when it's going to start, again, look how many options. For this example, we're going to say before the booking end, we would like to inform our cleaning team 1 day and 6 hours before the booking end, or whatever time frame is going to work for you. And it's going to ask us when tasks supposed to be done. Let's take for this example, after booking end, we're going to say our cleaning team that they're going to have, let's say 4 hours to be done with this task. We're going to select all of the cleaners that we have created already, user roles for them, or some of the cleaners that we have created. They're going to need to accept the task, and we're going to get a notification who did accept the task. And we can even put them a task notes like clean whole unit, or pay attention on kitchen. You can even drop a file here, attach a file with a checklist to make it easier for them, and you're going to save it. And every time before booking comes to the end, 1 day and 6 hours before that, our cleaning team is informed about the jobs that's supposed to be done and when it's supposed to be done. And easy as that, we're going to automate this task, Melissa.
Thanks, Darko. Looks like this can save so much time. So we can finish here. Thanks to everyone who's watching. And if you would like to learn more about features of AdvanceCM, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube series. Bye.